Check out our newest update. We now have coupon codes that work with forms. This feature is going to allow you to apply discount codes directly within the form builder, enhancing the flexibility and the customer experience during product purchases. This is going to increase your sales through incentives. Now you can easily apply discounts on products. It's also going to enhance the user experience because it simplifies the checkout process for your customers using discount codes. It also provides you marketing flexibility because it's going to give you the option to run promotional campaigns and special offers seamlessly. Now, when you create a form for selling an online course, you can include a discount code field, allowing users to apply a promotional coupon and instantly see the reduced price before completing their purchase. Let me show you exactly where this is located. First, to create a coupon, you're going to want to go to Payments in the left-hand navigation. And then in the upper navigation, you're going to select Coupons. And then from there, go ahead and click on Plus Create Coupon. Now a pop-up will come up so that you can configure that coupon. Once you're done, go ahead and click Create. Now, you want to make sure that you have a form. So you're going to go to Sites on the left-hand navigation, then to Forms in the upper navigation, and then from there, you're either going to edit a form that you've already created or you're going to create a new one. Now, inside of that form editor, you're going to want to add the Sell Products element. To do that, you're going to click on the plus icon, and then you're going to click on Sell Products. Now go ahead and add a product. Once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and save that. Now select the product and add if you haven't already done that. And you're going to go ahead and now enable the coupon. So under that, you're going to hit General Coupon and then Enable Coupon. Now we're previewing the added coupon that we just created. This feature simplifies the application of discounts within forms, enhancing both the user experience and the marketing capabilities of the CRM. We hope you enjoy this feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.